welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with practice questions of chapter number 1, number system. Question number 1. In between two rational numbers there is or are. So now in this question you have to take the correct answer from the following options and check your answer, because I have already written the answer below the options. Question number 2. The product of a rational and an irrational number is. This is a very easy question. Question number 3. The decimal expansion of an irrational number may be. This is also a very easy question. Question number 4. A rational number between root 2 and root 3. Now in this question you are going to find that rational number which comes between root 2 and root 3. Question number 5. Which of the following is irrational? Now in this question you have to tell that which of the following is irrational and take the correct answer from the following options. Question number 6. 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equals to. Now in this question you first have to calculate this and then take the correct answer. Question number 7. Which of the following is irrational? Again the same question. You just have to take the irrational number from the following options. Question number 8. Root 12 multiplied by root 15 is equals to. Now again you have to calculate it first and then take the correct answer. Question number 9. What would be the denominator after rationalizing 7 upon 5 root 3 minus 5 root 2? Now in this question you first have to rationalize this whole expression and then find out the denominator and take that denominator which comes after rationalizing it. If anyone is there who do not able to rationalize this expression, so please watch my previous videos for rationalizing concept of chapter number 1. So if you like those videos also and this video also, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Moving to the next question. Question number 10. Can we write 0 in the form of P by Q? It is also very easy question, and I have added explanation in few questions because I thought that those questions you might stuck, so that's why I've added the explanation in those questions with the answers. So if you are not able to do those questions, so please watch my explanation which I have added below the options with the answer. Question number 11. The three rational numbers between 3 and 4 are. Now first you have to solve it. First you are going to find the three rational numbers between 3 and 4. So this question is totally related to the question which we've done in exercise 1, I think, of chapter number 1. So if you are not able to do this question, so please watch my explanation which I have added below. Now question number 12. Every rational number is. This is also a very easy question. Question number 13. Root 9 is a dash number. So in this question also I have added the explanation for you. If you are not able to do this question, then see that explanation if you are able to do this question. So don't cheat yourself, just check your answer whether it is correct or not. Question number 14. Which of the following is an irrational number? Again you have to tell that which of the following is irrational from the following options and check your answer below. Question number 15. 3 root 6 plus 4 root 6 is equals to. Now again you have to first calculate it and then take the correct answer, and I have also added the explanation with calculation also in below the options, so please check it out. Question number 16. Root 6 multiplied by root 27 is equals to. Now again you have to solve it, and I've also added the calculation part below. Question number 17. Which of the following are irrational? Again, but I think that this question is a little bit complicated for you. Might be complicated for you, for some of you. That's why I've added the explanation in this question. If you are not able to do this, so please watch the explanation. Question number 18. Rational number 3 upon 40 is equals to. Now this question is done with the help of long division. First you long divide this 3 upon 40 and the answer counts, and take the correct answer from the following. Question number 19. A number which does not have a reciprocal is. This is a very easy question from this chapter. I hope you'll do it. Then question number 20. In question number 20, the last question, in this question the number is given to you and you just have to tell whether it is rational, irrational, integer or composite. So this is it for this video. So if you want me to upload many more videos for you to practice these questions, so please like, share my videos and subscribe to my channel, and please do this. This practice questions are like test for you, so do it like a test. Don't cheat, and be honest with you while doing this test, and please write it in the comment box that how many marks you have scored in this test. Thank you.